So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them. They're now going to start downloading. Wait for this. And now once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. We're going to start with x64, double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. And now once that's been done, we can now resolve this. Now for the one under it, x86, double click on it. Now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.